Hello, and welcome back. This is Kinsey, and this is for Crisis Hair edition number 2. Today we are going to be doing my brows. So, I'm not working. So normally I would go to Ulta and I would get my brows tinted. Ulta has like the Benefit Brow Bar. I really like them. It's like 20 something, maybe 30 bucks. It's been a long time. So I've decided to try something cheaper that I've seen on the internet. So I bought this. So it's just for men's mustache and beard tint. So supposedly you can use this to tint your brows. So that's what we're gonna try to do. Whether or not it works is gonna be a whole different thing, but either way, this is going on the internet. Okay, so what I got is just for men in medium dark brown. I figured this will match, hopefully. And I don't want to go too dark, I just want it to be enough where I don't have to fill them in. What it comes with is this. And it is a developer, the actual color, and then a brush. Now this is massive. It's like the size of my brow. So instead, I am gonna find an angle brush somewhere in my stuff and see if maybe that would be a better size. So let me get my hair clipped out of the way and start with this. Okay, I've got my hair clipped up, and what you gotta do is you put the color, you can put a little blob there. Blob there. You want about equal parts of the two, and then we're gonna mix. Okay. Now I'm gonna get uncomfortably close to the camera while I try to use my video to actually do this. So I've got a small, like itty bitty angle brush, and we're just gonna paint this into the hair. Now realizing I should have done a spot test. If any of y'all ever do stuff like this, do a spot test. Put it out on, wait, and see if it burns or does anything crazy. Oh no. Just in case you're allergic. Really hoping I'm not. I mean, I've never had a reaction to beard tint or brow tint, anything like that. And this is meant to go on your face, so I'm thinking it'll be fine. I think my biggest fear right now is that it's gonna be crazy dark. Oh my lord. I'm gonna get a paper towel and clean this up. Oh no. I'm gonna hope this doesn't stain my skin. So now I'm supposed to wait 5 minutes. I'm gonna wait like 3 and wash this off, and I'll be back. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. I'm going to wash this off now. Oh God, I hope this comes out a little bit lighter. Oh, okay. Okay. This doesn't even look like it did that much. I mean, it's intense. Okay. You know, Like, it's a lot. But it's not the worst. I think what I should do now is trim up the edges and then show a final result. Okay, so I think this is as good as it's gonna get. It is definitely dark. If you can see, there's still some staining here, but I was able to get that giant over towards my nose off. It's pretty intense right now. I think it should fade in a couple of days, and I think I'd like to shape things up a bit more. It might look better if I actually did fill them in. I'm not sure. Well, let me know what you think of this hack down in the corner, and I will put a before and after shot right after this.